Hey guys, welcome to Mr. X, where I simplify crypto and trading so that you will make money online. Today I'm breaking down 10 proven strategies you can use to make money online. With that being said, don't forget to like, share and turn on the notification bell for more content like this. Let's go. And follow trade is simple. You trade in the direction of the market. You can buy low and sell high. You can use tools like moving average. This strategy is perfect for beginner because you don't have to predict. All you just have to do is to buy low and sell high. Very simple for beginner. Just follow the trend. If it go down, you buy. If it go up, you sell. Simple as ABCD. Let's go. Support and resistance. Support is a price level where the market stop falling, while resistance is where the market stop rising. You can actually buy at support and sell or short at resistance. Bonus tip: use rejection candle for confirmation. Price action plus candle pattern. This one is all about reading candlestick. You can read candlestick like doji, hammer or engulfing to know whether the buyer or the seller who is in control. Compare those patterns with market structure for better entry. This one no indicator needed, just chart. Smart money concept (SMC) is how institutions trade. They do not follow the crowd. Look for liquidity grab, breakout block and market structure shift. It's advanced, but if you master it, you will never trade blindly again. I promise you. Scalping is for fast thinker. You are in and out in trade for just how many minutes. Let's say you want to go into trade as a scalper. Scalper look for sharp opportunity. Once you go into the trade and place the trade or see an opportunity, you grab it immediately out from the market and you keep repeating the same cycle, That's what scalper is. If you go into the market and you remove, just let me say, even a minute, let me say 1 minute, you go into the market and you pull out profit, go into the market and you pull out profit, know that you are a scalper. There's nothing you can tell me, but it's intense and profitable. You can always make money, but you need a really nice amount of cash to be able to pull out really good amount of money from inside if you are a scalper, and a little percentage, boom, you have blown. Swing trading is the opposite of scalping, but this one you have to hold for some days or some week. Like, let me see, you go into the market, you see Bitcoin or Ethereum at a certain price, then you decide to go into the market. So you place your order. That's what we call limit order. You place your order. When your market triggers, sometimes it might take you days to make profit, sometimes it might take you week to make profit. So it depends on how you go into the market. If you use and how you want to see profit. This one you wait for a really high amount of percentage. So you can actually start scalping with maybe a little bit of money, right? So you can start scalping with $100, $50, or even $10 on scalping. So scalping is just like buying meme coin. Once you buy the meme coin for just how many minutes, how many days, you're able to pull out when you see a really nice amount of profit. Supply and demand. Price move for area where seller are to demand, which is where buyer are. Seller is supplier, which is supplier are the people that are selling, while demand are people that are buying. If you are buying something, which is a lot of people are buying something, they are demanding for that thing, which makes the price go up. A lot of people are selling, they are supplying more to other people, so which make the price go down. So supplier are those people who sell, demand are those people who buy. So sometimes you might see the price of market might be going down, while a little while it might just go up, which is a lot of people, a lot of buyer are coming in, are going up, going in with force, and they are overcoming those buyer, right? So breakout strategy. This is when you trade a coin at it break out at a certain key level or certain support or certain resistance. Let me say you might have placed an order and said, if this market break this certain level, maybe support, or if this market break this level to a certain support, it might get a reversal. So you need a very strong momentum. You don't have to just chase. You make sure that once it breaks through the support or breaks through the resistance, it must surely come back to rest on top of that support, right? Top of that support before going down, which is if you are buying or you are longing. If you are shorting, it will actually cross down to resistance before it break out support, make it will turn a resistance to a support before going down. So that's what we call breakout strategy. If market break out its current range or level, then start it will always have retracement before going up, going down. So do not chase, just wait and make sure that you always confirm first before you go in. News trading, big news actually move the market. Let me say, you might have seen this guy. I've forgotten this guy name. His name is something Pope. Because a lot of traders usually use him as a meme coin. So anytime he said today the market will go up, so most of those news usually make market go up crazy, mostly volatile, mostly on crypto. But just make the market go up or go down, so it depends on the news. Negative news actually affect the market, positive news actually affect the market in a positive way, negative affect it in a negative way. If maybe somebody, or maybe somebody more influenced like Donald Trump just came out and said crypto will die tomorrow, bro, the market will crash, because a lot of people going in and moving their money out of the market because they are expecting that the market will crash. If you want to go, you can actually look a lot of news, a lot for this financial news and forex. If you are doing forex, this is also important. Look for news that is going on about market and how the market structure and how everything is going on. You might hear the news today about exchanges, what's going on in this kind of economy, what is going on in economy, and it make the market drive down or drive up. So news trading, you can also use news trading. If you are a crypto trader, it's also important. But when it comes to crypto trading, the source actually affect the market. It does not come regularly like that, and sometimes it does not actually affect the market the way you think it will, and sometimes it do. So most forex, if this one work mostly as forex. Indicator based strategy, use RSI for overbought or for oversold. If RSI is overbought, you have to sell. If RSI is oversold, you have to buy. Meaning a lot of people have overbuy it, then the market will surely crash. But if a lot of people have oversold, which is the market, people are the bullish people, which is the bullish people are coming in, so the market will go up. While if oversold, the bearish people are packing in, the market will go down. So let me see. Sorry. So if it is overbought, you have to sell. If it is oversold, you have to buy. Right. Number two indicator is moving average for trend direction. Moving average for trend direction. Moving average actually follow the market direction. The market is going up, you follow it, and it actually gives you some signal that this is where you need to go in. It gives you the dimension, different direction of how the market works. Right. Number three is MACD. MACD is for momentum. So MACD is for momentum. Let me say for how the strong momentum, how you want to enter in the market, the structure, the place you actually need to enter the market. That's what MACD. So you can actually combine this indicator together. You can combine moving average, MACD, and RSI. Combine everything together, but do not overpack everything together. Just pack everything. It will look, your chart will look so horrifying. So just make sure to use two or more, but make sure to always level it down, use them together, and you will have a very nice trade. So which strategy actually fit your style? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, and turn on the notification bell for more content like this. If you enjoy this kind of content, and I will see you in the next video. Subscribe, follow on Telegram and Twitter too. So we will launch our token very soon if we reach the minimum of where we are.